Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over how to use pivot tables, and also this is the Excel Intermediate Tutorial Part 3. So it is both going over pivot tables and Part 3 of the tutorial. So with this whole tutorial series, Intermediate Tutorial, we're doing a follow along. So if you want to follow along, make sure you start at video 1 and then watch all the way through the last video here. And we're going to be going over, and you can follow along because there's going to be a link in the first video along in this video, link to my website where you can go ahead and download my original spreadsheet. Now you can follow along, see if you know how to do it, and learn on that way, not just watch. Now you can obviously learn by watching, but it's a lot helpful to follow along. But if you're just here for the pivot tables, we'll be showing you how to do them very quickly. So just give it 1 second, we will be right with you. But first, let's see if you subscribe to this video if you liked it. Also hit the like button and check out our website, obviously in the description. Follow us on social media as well, as those links are going to be in the description. And make sure you share it. Share us with your friends on social media. Share it any way you want to. Help them out. Just don't keep this information to yourself. This could be helpful to so many people and they don't have access to it. So make sure you share it to them. Get them the information they need on learning how to use pivot tables. Save them time, not just you as well. Okay, so now we're on to the pivot tables here. So first off, where do you find pivot tables? It's going to be in the Insert tab. It can be over here in the table section. It's say Pivot Table and Recommended Pivot Tables. So first off, we're just going to click Recommended Pivot Tables. Let's select this range here. So now it's not going to be able to recommend us because there's too many blank cells. Okay. All right, we're going to do it one more time here. Recommended Pivot Tables. Okay, so it can't do it off this stage. But let's go ahead and make our own pivot table. If it doesn't work always, you can make your own pivot table. We're going to click right here. We're going to put it into a new worksheet here. We're going to name it Table 1. This is going to be our Table 1. This is what we're basing it off of. So we're going to hit OK. All right, now it takes us to the screen. This looks a lot more complicated than it should be. It honestly is a lot easier. So first off, we're just going to select the company. It's going to, now when you click it, something you can put it, automatically assigns this to rows. But you can move it to a filter or anything. You can move things around here and just changes the way your table looks. So now we're going to go ahead and also, let's sort it for the values. Let's make it discount in dollars. So that's going to automatically add to the value section. So what do we want to sort this by? Let's sort this by quantity. Or let's sort this by, sort by quantity. So now I can go ahead and put a filter on here. So now I'm going to be able to sort everything by quantity. So let's see what we want to sort by first. So there we go. Now we have all this sorted. I'm just going to remove this for the next part. We're going to make a chart here. So to remove something, you click the left arrow here. You hit the Remove Field button. So now we have this. Now we're going to make a chart out of this. And I'll show you why these charts are more helpful, more useful than any normal chart here. So we're going to go ahead and select the data here. Go to Insert. Go to Recommended Charts, and it's going to show a cluster column. You just hover over it with your mouse, and it shows that. We're going to hit OK. All right. Now we're just going to expand this by clicking on the circles and dragging them out. All right, so now it just looks like a normal chart from here. But here's the difference. You can go over here. We're going to sort this by A to Z, which already is done. Now it's going to sort Z to A. Notice how it doesn't just change on the pivot table, it changes over here, as well as on the chart. But that also works the exact same way. Now we can go ahead, let's say we're sorting this by, we're sorting by sum of discount dollars now. So now it changes in the table as well. So not only does it changes in the chart, it changes in the table. That's why I think pivot tables are more useful, more helpful, because you can go ahead and just sort this you can just go ahead and sort the chart, not necessarily the table. So the table doesn't look very nice. So let's move this to a different worksheet. So let's go right click on this. We're going to move chart. Let's going to move to a new sheet here. Let's name this pivot chart. All right, we're going to hit OK. All right, now we have this as a new chart somewhere else on a different page. So now we can still sort everything just like we did before. Sort it but it doesn't have all this numbers and everything. You see just a chart. It's hidden. This is going to be great for helping you build dashboards and plenty of other things. So I hope you like this video, and once again, if this was helpful, make sure you subscribe. Also, send it to your friends, share it around, help me out, help us grow this channel so more people can get impacted. So thanks for checking this video out, and also check out many more videos and more videos to come. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.